How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to fix a damaged metabolism. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, click on the notification bell too so you guys get all my newest videos. So I got this question from a subscriber. We're going to go over it right now. So the phrase metabolic damage means a slow metabolism that no longer burns fat efficiently despite you being on a low caloric intake or exercise excessively. So again, what usually happens is people rush into diets. They want to lose weight. Maybe they're eating 3,500 calories a day, 3,000 calories a day. They're not tracking their calories, so they really have no idea how much they're eating. And then what happens is they start tracking their calories and they go on a diet. They start eating 2,000 calories a day, 1,500 calories a day. They completely shock their body. They damage the crap out of it. Now, a way to avoid metabolic damage, the easiest way to avoid it is simply to lower your calories at a slow pace. As simple as that. What I recommend doing is whatever calories you are eating during the day, when you are bulking, or even if you're maintaining, let's say you're eating 3,500 calories. When you start to diet, I recommend right off the bat, the first day, drop your calories by 200 calories. That's it. Go for about a week, 200 calories. The next week, drop another 200. Next week, another 200, another 200. Keep doing that. What happens is that you're slowly making your body adjust to your lower caloric intake. When you do this too, the first 2 weeks, you're just going back to maintenance intake. A lot of people, what they do is they drop their calories by 1,000 calories right off the hop. They want to lose weight right now. They go from 3,500 to 2,500. Your body is used to getting fed 3,500 calories. You know what it's going to happen when you give it 2,500? It's going to shut down. That's why you get metabolic damage. So let's keep talking about it. So your metabolism is adaptable and it can speed up and you can also change it. So what causes metabolic damage? Your resting metabolic rate, so your RMR, is the amount of energy needed to sustain vital bodily functions at rest, and it accounts for around 70% of our metabolism. So just you sitting there doing nothing, having all your organs working, that is going to cost your metabolism 70% of your metabolism. So when we begin to diet, our RMR, our resting metabolic rate, slows down to match the decrease in energy. So basically what happens is as your metabolism slows down, so does your food intake slows down. So that's what happens. You eat less, your metabolism is going to slow down. Here's a common cause though of what people screw up. After too much work without enough food, your metabolism reaches a point where fat loss becomes impossible. You cannot lose fat anymore. Any calories you consume will be stored for function rather than burned for weight loss. So that is what happens. It really sucks, but if you're trying to do too much, if you're going too long on the treadmill, too long on the elliptical, stop going for 3-4 hours. You do not need it. So how can we fix this? How can we fix metabolic damage? Like I've said before, eat more food. Slowly add calories into your diet. Just like how I said to slowly decrease calories, if you're already metabolically damaged, you can fix it. I've done that to myself. I have damaged my metabolism. When I first started dieting, I was like you guys, I cut my calories very drastic. I got to a very low calorie intake. I stopped losing muscle, or I stopped losing fat, and I started losing a little bit of muscles, and what I did to gain it back is I slowly added more calories to my diet. I ate more food at a very slow pace though. I didn't add 2,000 calories to my diet. I slowly added 200-300 calories each week. Like I said before, don't exercise for too long. Do not go on the treadmill or the elliptical for 5 hours a day. This is not needed, and you may be thinking, well, who would do that? Lots of people, when they try to lose weight, they try to shock their body. They try to do too much. Going for an hour, that's fine. Even up to 2 hours may be okay. But if you're going 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day, you're doing too much. You're destroying your body. Our bodies want hematosis, you guys. That's what it wants. Our bodies want to remain at a certain weight. It wants you to eat the same amount of food every day. That's homeostasis. Our body wants to remain at that. If you follow any plan too long, your body's going to get used to it. Don't work out for too long, and don't follow any eating program for too long either. You don't want the exact same calories when you are trying to lose weight. So what I mean by this is you don't want to, if you're trying to lose weight on 3,000 calories, you don't want to keep eating 3,000 calories forever. You want to slowly reduce it. 3,000 calories next week, 2,800 calories. Next week, 2,600 calories. By doing this, your diet will take 2 to 3 months, and that's very common. That's what most people do. When you do it like this, you will lose weight, you guys. And on top of that, you will maintain your muscle mass. When people try to bulk, when people try to cut, what they do is they add calories too quickly, deduct calories too quickly. This results in muscle loss. So that is how you fix a damaged metabolism, you guys. It's as simple as that. If you want to fix it, just slowly add calories to your diet. I recommend 200 to 300 calories per week. Do it at a slow pace. If you add 1,000, 1,500 calories in a week, what's going to happen is it's all going to come back as fat gain. You're going to be shocking your body again. You do not want this. Slowly add 300 calories per week. Do it at a slow pace. Your metabolism then will start to frickin' skyrocket again. So end the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it if you're interested in online personal training. My email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk details. Thanks, guys.